So this is what you can see here, the problem statement. A line AB 65 millimeter long, its end point A is on a horizontal plane and 20 millimeter in front of VP. Draw the projections of line AB when endpoint B is 40 millimeter above HP and 50 millimeter in front of VP. So with reference to this problem statement, I have written here the given data. AB 65 millimeter, it represents the true length. Endpoint A is on HP, 20 millimeter in front of VP means below XY line. Endpoint B 40 millimeter above HP means above XY line, 50 millimeter in front of VP. By looking at this statement and given data here, you can understand that they have not given any angle. No theta, phi, alpha, beta, no end projected distance, nothing. Okay. But can we get the answer for this? Let's try with the solution. As usual, first try to get the line, which will be horizontal line. Let's get horizontal line here. Okay. This is the XY line. I will name this as the XY line. Immediately, as we discussed earlier, immediately I will be getting one line here. So endpoint A, 20 millimeter in front of VP, and it is on HP. So what I will do, I will be taking 20 millimeter and same line. 20. I will make it dark this for your understanding. Then I will be drawing the line passing through this point below XY line at a distance of 20 millimeter. So we'll name this point. This point is going to be the A dash, and this point will be the point A. As it is on HP, so the front view point that will be going to be on XY line, because no above HP distance has been given here. It is on HP. Right? So the next thing is that we have to take the lines endpoint B conditions for endpoint B, for so that I will extend this vertical line little. Now I will take the distance above HP endpoint B 40 millimeter. So I will take 40. At 40 I will mark one point. Then in front of VP, that is given 50. So I will take 50 here. So these are the points for endpoint B. Now I will draw the locus of B, taking line parallel to XY line. So this is the locus of point B. I will write here locus of B, or we can say B dash and locus of B. Simple. Okay. So we got this locus of point V. This distance is, I will write here. Okay, I will write on this side. So this shot in front of VV 50, above HV 40. I'll write here 50, 40. Okay. Right. So this is what we have done with reference to given data. Right. Now we have to start working in getting those points, lines, and final answer. Okay. Now what is given to you? One more thing. So this already we have consumed. This endpoint condition for B is consumed. Now this is the third information which we supposed to use. Okay. Now I will take 65 millimeter distance in rounder. Okay. This 65. So then through point A dash, I will cut this locus above HP. Similarly, by keeping at A, I will cut this locus B, that is in front of VV or B. We got these two locus point. Right? And for this is for the true length. So this point is will be the point B2. This point will be the B1 dash because it's the end point of true length, not your final front view and top view. Okay. So this is the case in which the line is inclined to both the plane. Okay. So I will join this point. Okay. So it's a true length. 65. True length 65. Need not write unit because all our dimensions are in millimeter. Okay. On getting these two lines, we are going to get inclination with HP and inclination with VP. It is not given, but with these conditions, we will get these angles. So let's say theta. Phi. Now we have to follow the as usual procedure and try to get the answer. Means the final front view and the final top view. So for that, what we can do? Draw a line passing through B2. That is going to be the straight line till it touching to the locus of A dash. We'll continue this line. Okay. Similarly, we'll get the line to locus of A through B1 dash. This is what the direction of taking the line from B dash to downward, from B2 upward to locus of opposite end point A dash, and from B1 dash we'll take straight line till it touching to the line passing through EA. Okay. Now it is quite easy. You might have understood. Now the simple task is remain. But before that, we'll write the EL and PL. This point is going to be the EL, and this is going to be the PL. Sorry, yeah. Right. So this distance is going to give the front view length. You can say in short FVL or EL. Okay. So simply I will write here EL, and this distance by taking the projection from B1 dash, it will give the PL. Right. Now the simple thing you have to do, you have to take the rounder, keep at A dash, one end, metal end at A dash, take a distance. Even before that, I will name this B2 dash, and this point B1. Because in top view, we will not use dash, only for front view we will be using the dash. Now I will take the arc, I will take the arc, it is touching to the locus. If arc is going beyond that, not an issue, because it's arc. Okay. You will get the point here, and this point will be the point B dash. Means the end of B for final front view you obtain here. Immediately join this point A dash with B dash. Join A dash with B dash. And you will be doing this exercise by using pencil only, not pen. Just for sake of clarity, I am using the pens here. Then take a PL distance in compass. PL, this distance. Okay. And draw arc. Okay. And you want to join this point with A. Okay. And this point is going to be the point B. This point will be the point B, and it will give you the remaining two angles, alpha and beta. So this angle will be the alpha. This is going to be the B angle beta. Okay. Now you can cross check your answer whether your answer is right or wrong. You keep this line matching with this vertical line and you move it further, and if you will get B dash and B on the single line, means your procedure and your answer is correct. This is the indicator of your answer. Okay, and draw one line and it will give the now end projector distance. The distance between A dash A projector and B dash B projector, the distance is called as a end projector distance. This is going to be the end projector distance. A dash A, and this line projector is B dash B, right? And finally, you conclude your answer by writing the information which you have got after these steps. It is better to get it in the form of in this box. You can see the rectangle in answer. So this is going to be the proper view to the evaluator. So here you got theta, you got phi, you got alpha, you got beta, even you got EL, you got PL, and you got end projected distance. Okay, so you conclude your answer by writing this information that is to be obtained by measuring angles and the distances from here. Okay. Now this is your complete answer for the given problem statement. Rujita, you can stop the recording. Okay. Now in this problem statement, a line AB and its end A is 10 millimeter above HP, 45 millimeter in front of VP. Draw the projection of line AB when its end B is 20 millimeter in front of VP and line is inclined at 30 degree to vertical plane. End projected distance 35 millimeter. Okay. So with reference to this, we have written here the given data. Now we'll start with the solution. First, draw XY line. Okay. Immediately from left side, means from X, you should get the line that will be going to be the line perpendicular to XY line. Draw just a random line here on which you will be marking the point for A dash and A. A is 10 millimeter above HP and 45 millimeter in front of VP. That distance will take here from XY line. Let's take 10 millimeter, then 45 millimeter. So here, okay. So this is what 45 millimeter. So these 2 points you are going to get here for A. So of course, the above XY line point or an XY line, that will be the A dash. I will name this A dash and this point as A. Okay. Then as usual, we have to draw the line parallel to XY line passing through this A dash and A. We will get those lines. Make sure this line will be very perfect, means exactly parallel to XY line to get your error-free answer. Okay. We'll give the dimensions here, that is with respect to HP and VP, that measurement in front of VP and above HP, that will give here. Okay. Let's complete this part. This is 45 millimeter in front of VP, 10 millimeter above HP. Okay. So this shot above HP and this in front of VP. Okay. Okay. What next they have given? They have given the end point B 20 millimeter in front of VP. Okay. Let's take 20 millimeter in front of VP from XY line. that is to be taken. Through this also you should get the line parallel to XY line. At this distance is 20 millimeter from XY line, and this is going to be the locus of B. Okay? And this distance is 20 millimeter in front of BP. Okay? 20 millimeter in front of BP. The next, they have given the inclination with vertical plane 35 degree. So for that, take a protector and then angle 35 degree. So this is going to be here 35 degree. Draw a line passing through A till it touching to the locus of B. So of course it is going to touch here. Let's draw line. So this point will be the point B2. This point is going to be the point B2. Okay. B2 point. This angle, see, this is 35. Okay. So of course, this is also going to be the 35 only. Okay. So this all taken. Now we can take the end projected distance. So at XY line or somewhere, anyhow, you should get the 35 millimeter from here. So I will take this 35 and then I will draw line passing through that projector end, that is at a distance 35 from this line. So this distance we have taken 35 because it is given in problem statement. End projected distance 35 EPD 35. Okay. Then what next is to be done? That from B2 point, usually what you do, that is the matter. Okay. So through this, you have to take the. So I think it will not be give the clarity. So what I will do, I will change the end projected distance now because it will not give the clarity. But this not to be done in exam. Whatever there, exactly same value you have to take. So as this is a problem defined by me, so just for making it convenient to you, what I will do, I will make it 25. Let's make it 25. Okay. So I will take 25 end projected distance. Just wait. So that will be better in terms of clarity. Okay. So I will take 25. Okay. not an issue. Then I will get the projector for this. This I wanted to make the points bit visible and away from each other. Otherwise, you will miss out this concept. Okay, for getting this solution of this kind of problem. So this is 25. Okay, even though I'll making it 25 in problem statement. Let's take. Okay. Then what next? If you refer the previous cases, you will come to know that from B2 point, what exactly we usually do for from B2 point is the point of your true length, not your top view. B2, whatever the condition, wherever it appears, we will be taking the line from here vertically till it touches to the locus of A dash. Okay. So similar thing we have to do it here. We'll be extending it till it touching to the A dash line. Okay. So let's take a vertical line. Go up from here till it touching to the locus of A dash. I have specifically mentioned here the arrow, and this will give the B2 dash point. B2 dash, right? And it will be going to give the length of your front view. So generally we say it's a EL, right? EL or FVEL, front view length. So EL you will get here. Okay. You just understand that this 35-degree inclined line, and this is going to give the TL. Okay, this is going to be the TL, but it is not known. On getting this construction, you will get the value of that true length, right? Now, as the end projector lines are here, so you should take a rounder to keep metal end at A dash. Take a distance EL in rounder, okay, and draw an arc till it touching to the projector B dash, and it will give the point here. Okay, this will give the point, right? And this point is going to be the point B dash, right? Join A dash with B dash, because on projector it will be the B dash, either B dash or B. So I will join it. And this is going to give you the angle alpha, not theta. This is alpha. This is what we can say the final front view. Okay. Or we can say elevation. Elevation, right? Then as you got this B dash, get the locus of B passing through this B dash. Okay. This is going to be the locus of. Okay. Now, after getting this B dash, by default, you got B point here. B point. On getting this end projector, simply you will get this point, because B dash and B must be on this projector. That's why this second point also you got here in top view, that is for of your final top view. This point you are going to get, this is going to be the point B. This is going to be the point B, right? So this is going to be the your plan or top view. Okay, and it will give the another angle, and this angle is going to be the angle beta, right? Now you got the true length, but how you will get the true length here? You will get it or not doesn't matter, because you already got the solution as per requirement. But still we'll follow the steps and we'll try to get the true length in front view. Okay, how will get it? If you compare it with the previous cases, you will understand that you will be drawing the arc from B to base point A. Now it is just a reverse kind, but anyhow you should get it like this. You draw an arc, you draw an arc of length AB. You should get the arc through this AB, and this is the point which we can say B1 point. Okay, and this length is going to be the length PL, and then we'll project it upward through this point, and where it intersect to locus of B in front view, that is going to give the true length. That is going to give the true length, right? So I will be putting the arrow here, okay? And this point will be the point B1 dash. B1 dash. Join this A dash with B dash, B1 dash, and you will get the true length, because we have to find out theta. So that's why this construction is must if you wanted to find out theta. So this angle is going to the angle theta then. And the length which you will get A dash to B1 dash is going to be the true length. Now here, how you can summarize your plan length? You just see whatever the distance you will get between A to B1 is nothing but your plan length, right? This what you got here by taking the arc PL. Okay. Now this is the complete solution that you got theta, alpha, beta, PL length is now known to you, EL is known to you. Okay, means your answer is 4. Okay. Now you summarize your answer by measuring the unknown values and putting it in this rectangle, or just make a box of anyhow. Okay, the way I'm making it. Okay, in which the values which obtain, that theta, alpha, even true length was not given. So TL, alpha, beta, theta, beta, then EL, then PL. Okay, so you just have a measurement of these angles and these distances and complete write those values here. Okay. So in this way, Rujita, you can stop now.